Hi Year 5, it's Mrs Gibbons here. So we're on session 3, so we are learning to write our own effective questions. So we're going to be using the text that we've been looking at all week from Everest. I'll just show it you actually. 1953. So we are using the same text which is on the website, and you're going to use that to write your own effective questions. So I will give you some example question stems, and then you're going to create your own questions in a similar style. Remember, always refer back to the text to find those phrases or words and read around them. So the first type of question is one where you have to find a type of word. It could be a verb, an adjective, an adverb in the text, and then that's going to be your answer. So you're then going to come up with a synonym for that word that you can use in the question. So for example, if I were to ask the question, write the verb in the text that means the same as named, my answer would be christened. So in the text it says, instead of retaining its local name, Chomolungma, they christened it Mount Everest. Okay, so I've taken the word christened from the text, I've found a synonym for it, and I've built that into my question. Like I say, it doesn't have to be a verb. You could find an adjective in the text or an adverb. So that is your first type of question where you are, it's just the same as you've been doing the last few weeks, choosing an adverb or adjective or verb in the text and incorporating that into a question. Okay, question, if you obviously want to do that straight away, that's fine, just pause the video. And when you're ready, we'll move on to question 2. So question 2 is a retrieval question where the answer can be found directly in the text. So for example, I have said, what was the name of the world's first mountaineering club? So if I were to read through the text again, I would find that the world's first mountaineering society is called the Alpine Club. So I would obviously then write that as my answer, the Alpine Club. So it's your turn now to write a literal question where the answer can be found directly in the text. So you can pause the video while you do that, and then when you're ready to move on, you can pause. Okay, question 3. So for this question, you're going to give the reader 3 possible answers. So the best way to do this is to give one which is a synonym, means exactly the same, another option which is close in meaning but isn't quite the same, and the third option which is the opposite. So for example, if I said, which word is closest in meaning to accuracy, which obviously appeared in the text, didn't it? I'll show you. So it says they were able to measure its height with astonishing accuracy. So if I were writing this question, I'm then giving 3 possible answers for your reader to choose a correct one. Okay, and the answer would be precision. So precision is a synonym for accuracy. Imprecision is the opposite, it's an antonym. And strictness, it's similar, but it's not an exact synonym. So precision would be the closest in meaning. So you're going to write a question now where you choose a word closest in meaning to a word that you've chosen from the text, and you give them 3 options to choose from. So again, pause the video. So you do the question, and when you're ready to move on, you can unpause the video. And then the last one for today, question 4, you're going to write some statements that could be true or false, and you're going to create a table with 4 statements in. Obviously, you are going to, with all these questions that you write, you are putting your answers in as well. So I've gone for Mount Everest was named after Jeff Everest. Is that true or false? So the answer would be, false, because if you look back at the text, it was actually named after George Everest, not Jeff. Okay, my next question was Everest stands on the border of Nepal and Tibet, and that would be true. So you're going to come up with 4 statements from the text and obviously then decide whether they are true or false. Okay, well done. I'll leave you to get on with that, and I will see you for session 4 soon. Okay, take care, bye.